let's go.
Oh, what do you see, Bailee? Kangaroos. Are you gonna paint a kangaroo? Pet a kangaroo. Goodness.
Oh, really? We all keep track.
Oh, you wanna go pet it? You wanna pet that one?
So that's Lily and this is Poppy. You can pet her. Go in there, pet her. Just approach her slowly and quietly and you can pet her right on the back.
Okay, you ready? You pet her? Gentle, only on her back. Oh, good job.
They're so soft. They're so soft.
Oh my goodness.
She said it lived in her house.
What?
Yes, I would love one of these. No, you wouldn't.
Oh my. Do you see the kangaroo? Is that cool, Bailee? Hi, Poppy. Hi, Poppy.
What's that mean?
That's Lily.
Hi, Lily.
Alright, guys. You did? We had a 7-second Lily too. Thank you, guys.
That was so cool.
It tried stealing my food.
Oh no! You want to feed it? Are you the one that likes strollers? There's no room for you.
Who is it?
Look at their eyes, Bailee.
The other one's coming over. You finally got up.
Hey,
Why you finally got up?
hey, you cannot get in the stroller. What are you doing? Why are you looking at the stroller? Oh my goodness.
See Mama.
Oh, hey! You can't have the foot on the stroller. It stepped on your boot? Hey, hey. Where is she? Come on, dude.
Mom, I fed the llama.
Cool.
Maggie's scared of eating it. That's why she's throwing it.
These are alpacas. What are those, Bailee?
The red one.
That's Chilla.
Hi, Chilla. What?
Escaped Mama.
You want to go see the escaped ones first? Go see the escaped one. Are you okay? Are you traumatized? Are you alright?
Oh, is that Mama there?
Yeah, that's a mom. Oh, that was nice.
Pickle.
Human
Feel his, feel his head. Or him more. It's like I'm waiting for that food.
It can.
Hey, you want some?
Dude, get it out.
Yeah.
Nursing.
Oh, where are you going?
That's 1 day old. Oh my god.
Where's she going? She ran away. She's lost.
Mom.
She's like, hey, where did my baby go? Your baby ran away. Aww.
She had to get a drink.
There she is.
Watching
Crying.
No, it was drinking. It was drinking too.
Crying. It lost its baby. Aww.
The baby walking right towards me.
Look at the baby.
Oh my god.
Baby's head is so soft. Oh my. Oh, it's literally way softer than a pillow.
Hi. Whoa, look at this one's eyes. He's so pretty.
Thank you.
Aww. Hi. Oh, you see all those animals?
There, let me go up there.
Yeah?
Ooh. That baby looks angry. Are you making that baby angry? We're in the same thing as a donkey right now.
Mommy, wait, look. Baby pig.
The mama. Oh. Petunia. Hi, Petunia.
Yeah.
They're so little.
And you can't feed the piglets, but you can feed the piglets.
Oh my goodness. They're so little. Wow. Okay. Bailee, do you see these babies over here? So cute.
Oh my gosh, I want to take one home.
Can you play piano?
Sir, we have a serious question for you. Play the piano for us.
That's the mama.
There's the mama going to cut
There's
the
ma-
baby.
oh.
She's trying to wake me up.
What, please? The pig's name is Patrick.
Hey, Patrick.
Patrick, can you please play the piano like this?
Patrick, do you play the piano?
I see little spots. I
You
think
see
that's a
spots?
girl.
Hi, donkey.
Wants to fall asleep on.
Aww.
Yeah, but it has the choice of coming in here.
Maybe she has an attitude.
Llama sad, llama totally rad.
Look at him come toward us, baby.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Hi, llama. Hi, llama. We have food.
Are we allowed to feed him?
I think so. Oh.
No, we already fed llamas. Away from me. Those aren't llamas.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Ready?
No.
You're hungry.
Aww.
I'm generous.
Oh, I don't think he likes that. Oh, that's Harry. Okay, we're done here.
Hey, what do you want?
We're done here, Harry. Hi, Birdie. Hi, Birdie. Oh, bye, Birdie. Nummy.
There's that one right back there.
Ooh.
Look at that one back there.
The donkeys ate more grass than the cows.
Look at that one right back there.
Oh. That was the brown one.
I've never heard a real cow move.
What?
We're allowed back there, Bailee. I don't know. We have to ask that lady.
Hi, bud.
You want to pet the
Ooh, you got some weird fur. Seen cows with fur like this.
They said these are called Highlander
Are
cows.
we allowed to feed them?
I don't know.
I think we only eat grass.
Yeah, I think they really only eat grass.
You can eat grass and feed them.
Okay.
No, I wouldn't do that,
Okay.
Matt.
Oh,
They
oh,
use their
oh,
teeth.
okay.
They're not like mouth.
Oh, no. Oh, look at this one's ears too. He's so cute. We can feed the cows.
we can feed the cows.
You guys want to feed the cows?
Yeah.
That's Elsa and Anna.
What? Their names are Elsa and
want to see that.
Oh, it's so scary.
I know.
Here, I'm gonna do it. I'll do it. I'll do one. What? You got it.
Okay.
Cows have weird, they have rough tongues. Oh! They have such a rough tongue.
Yeah, they do.
I think that he
Does it tickle?
is super nice.
It's rough. What does it feel like?
You. He's not gonna hurt you.
What?
See, I'm putting my hand in his mouth.
Do it. Maggie, do it. Let it beat it off. It didn't even like me. Oh, did it? She's eating more grass. She's like, You guys not giving me enough food. Here. Got my food. It's not even liking me. That's how rough their tongue is. Can't feel it.
It's okay.
It's okay, Bailee.
Anna, you got flies by your eyes. Or the other one. Sure, like that. Bailee, you having fun?
Good job.
I like
You liked it?
I like it.
Liked it.
What are you doing, Trey? Cut them. Up here, and they were really close.
Yeah. I'm having a staring contest with that llama.
Yeah. Yeah, he's having a stare contest with this llama.
What people look
Whoa, look at that one. The teeth out.
when they chew gum. That's what they look like when they chew gum with humans.
He's so cute.
What'd you do? We're gonna put this one.
Bailey, you can hold my hand.
You went down?
Bailey, want to feed it? Want to feed it, Bailey?
Mom,
Look at that one.
what girls look like when they chew gum.
What is it chewing on?
I think
Grass or
food. Okay. Oh, look at that one. There.
Oh, we're allowed to go in here.
Do it.
Yeah, he just said.
Look at this one. So cute. Look at her, Bailey. You gonna let me in or not? Can I please get in? Mama? Yeah. There. Okay, now I'm in it.
What is your name, dude?
What's its name? This one's eating. That one's still eating? Oh my gosh, scared. Why are you staring at me? I'm gonna see if I can get through here. Woo! I'm through! I'm through, Tara! Whoa, look at that. I don't know why they're doing this.
He likes it.
What are you doing?
Singing a song to Cole. He likes it.
Gross. Isn't that gross? Ew. That one was just pooping and peeing at the same time.
Oh man!
That is so gross. No.
It's the llama dance. Hey, what's up? Aww,
Look at that one. What?
sparkling gold.
Hi.
Yeah, the sad thing is I'm calling you for that now.
High five.
Mommy, there's a baby over there.
There's a baby over there? Aww. Following us?
Are you gonna follow us over around?
Are you following us? Is it because I fed you?
Thanks for watching.
Whoa! 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 Did you lose control?